Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're diving into the MTA3103. It's a new bit of kit aiming to shake up retail payments and connectivity.
Yeah, exactly. We've got the lowdown on its features.
And our mission really is to unpack its main innovations, what they actually mean for retailers and, well, for us when we're shopping.
It's more than just a gadget. Think of it as potentially making those retail interactions much, much smoother.
Okay, let's jump in. Security first, always a big one with payments. This MTA3103, it's EMV Level 1 compliant. What does that really mean for, day-to-day use?
Well, EMV Level 1 is basically the global seal of approval for secure transactions. It's a baseline tech that protects your card info when you tap or dip or use your phone. Builds trust.
Right, essential stuff. And it has this tap-on-screen design. Sounds simple, but what's the advantage?
What's neat is they've put the contactless reader right in the screen, so it makes paying feel more intuitive. For everyone involved.
I see. One less thing to look for.
Exactly. And it still handles all the standard ways to pay: chip cards, mobile wallets, all that.
Okay, so it covers the bases. But what about businesses? If they have existing systems, is this a huge headache to adopt?
That's actually a big plus. It's designed to integrate with existing point-of-sale tech.
So no need to rip everything out and start again?
Pretty much. They can upgrade their payment game without a massive overhaul. Saves time, saves money.
Makes sense. And I gather it's not just for the fixed checkout counter, like mobile use.
Absolutely. It's built tough, and the encryption is solid. So think mobile POS, paying for deliveries at the door, self-service kiosks, anywhere you need secure payments on the go or without constant staff supervision.
Got it. Okay, let's switch gears to connectivity. It boasts Wi-Fi 6E. Why is that a big deal in a busy shop?
Right. So Wi-Fi 6E uses a newer, less crowded frequency band. Think of it like an express lane for data.
Less interference, then.
Exactly. In a place buzzing with phones and other devices, that means more reliable, faster connections. Smoother transactions, basically.
Fewer of those awkward payment pending moments. Okay, and I see MU-MIMO and OFDMA mentioned. Sounds technical.
They're about efficiency in busy networks. MU-MIMO lets the router talk to multiple devices at the same time, effectively.
Like juggling multiple conversations.
Sort of, yeah. And OFDMA helps chop up the data going back and forth into smaller, more efficient bits. It just makes the whole network handle lots of users better without grinding to a halt.
A smart digital traffic cop, then. And target wake time, TWT, is that related to battery?
Precisely. TWT lets the device schedule when other connected things like sensors or smaller IoT devices need to wake up and communicate.
So they're not constantly draining power.
Right. It cuts down unnecessary chatter, saves battery life on the MTA3103 itself. Really important for a device use all day long.
And security wraps this all up. WPA3.
Yep. WPA3 is the latest Wi-Fi security standard. Stronger protection for all that customer data and transaction info flying around. Keeps things locked down tight.
Okay, one last major piece. The integrated barcode scanner. Why combine that? Why not just use a separate one?
Well, having it built in means one less device to buy, manage, and potentially break. Simplifies things for the staff.
And it works well.
Apparently, yes. It's described as high performance, quick on reading both 1D and 2D codes, even if they're a bit damaged or the lighting isn't great.
So that should speed up checkouts, inventory checks, that sort of thing.
Definitely. Faster workflows, better operational efficiency, and just a more stable, reliable process overall.
Okay, so wrapping it up, the MTA3103 looks like it's trying to be this all-in-one solution. Secure payments, solid connectivity, quick scanning.
That's the core idea.
Yeah.
And what's really interesting is how putting all that together in one device could genuinely change how retailers operate.
Simpler for them, maybe more intuitive for us?
Potentially, yes.
Okay.
It could streamline the whole interaction.
It does make you think, doesn't it? How converging these key functions, payments, connections, scanning into one handheld thing might fundamentally reshape that whole customer-retailer interaction. Could make things feel a lot smoother, maybe more seamless on both sides. Something to watch.
Definitely something to consider.
All right, great deep dive today. Thanks.